everybody, this is your girl Faith Ngezi, and I am here with Minama Skincare as they are launching their luxury cosmetic fridge. So this is basically how the fridge looks like. It is very convenient in a sense that you can put all your products, all your cosmetic products in here. What I love about it is that it retains the freshness of my Skin Glow oil, and it just, you know, keeps it very fresh. It's very portable and you can literally place it anywhere in your house. You can keep your face mask fresh and you can put any cosmetics you desire. So guys, don't miss out on this amazing fridge, and there are only limited stocks available, so make sure you get your hands on this amazing fridge. I'm tapping out. This is your girl Faith Ngezi.